Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller.
Alright, everyone, you don't know, so this is the Skiller, you see it? Alright, here's the thing what I want to know. A truck overturned right in the, right in the roundabout of the Montego Bay sign. You see what I say? Now, the reason why I bring this clip is because them said that the truck missed the sign by an inch. So, I want to take a look and tell me what you think. Observe.
A dead body, and me and this man here. And this is going to run in and be get a touch. How are you, buddy? Daniel.
I think, me think it's like them kind of over exaggerate when them say that the truck missed the sign by an inch. Because when me look on this footage and look on which part the truck land, you see me I say, it's like me not really see where it go near the sign yet. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong, that is the reason why I ask you the viewers to give me full, when I say full, I mean your full opinion on this. Look at this thing, you see me? Cause watch this now. The car the right here, so right on the right hand. If you we talk facing towards the video, right? The car on the right hand right here, so you see me I say? The truck the on this hand over here, so to me. You see me I say? Now it can slap the car, but remember say a roundabout so it'll go. Right? So that means to say if it run over the car would have been on the extreme left. If you run over it. Maybe you really and truly cut across the field, but me no see no tire track on the field. Ah well, you see me? The greatest thing is no life, no loss. You get what I said to you? You see me? And a woman says she have a sidestep the truck. Or the car, but she sidestep something. That's a big thing. You see me I say? And you see that sign, that Montego Bay sign, it's like social media, they have a problem with that sign. That sign is like something about that sign that everybody said the sign now worth $17 million. You see me I say? Well, when me look on the sign, me see the sign blink at night time and all these things. You see me I say, whoa, wait, hold on. Recap that. How the sign they look so from afar? Wanna read and see right there, so. I just joke, man. Yo, I just the little thing, I block it, not the way make it look away. I don't get it wrong. Alright. Anyways, if you need to know more what go on, and if you're brand new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. And if you need to contact the Skiller, just read the description below. You know the thing, alright? My name is Skiller, and that was Dancehall Skillers Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.